Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the text-to-speech feature inside of Microsoft Clipchamp. So this is a great feature to familiarize yourself with if you don't have access to a microphone and would still like to boost viewer engagement in any of the content that you produce. So to get started, you're going to want to open up Clipchamp, and I've already got a few clips in my timeline as you can see here. And let's say I just want to add a short and simple voiceover AI voiceover to the video. So to get started, I would want to move over to the Record and Create tab, which you can find on the top left-hand side of your screen. And at the very bottom of the list, you're going to see an option called Text to Speech. So go ahead and click on that, and it should open up a menu on the right-hand side of your screen. So here you're going to be able to choose between the different languages that the text to speech supports, as well as the different voices that your AI will use. So you can go ahead and take a listen to what a few of these AI voices sound like. So let's say, for example, Nancy. You can click on Nancy and then click on this button right here to listen to a preview of what the voice sounds like.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
That sounds pretty good for now. That's what I'm going to be using. So this is what you're mostly going to be interested in, and that's the text portion. So this is where you would want to paste whatever your AI voiceover would say. So I'm just going to paste a quick paragraph, and I'm going to click on preview to give it a listen.
There is a quiet, rhythmic magic to lace up your boots and leave the concrete world behind for a winding dirt trail.
Sounds pretty good so far. And you should also take note that there are some additional settings here, such as emotion, vocal pitch, and pace. So the emotion option also notably is not available for every AI voice model. This only comes up with some of the more well supported ones. So as you can see, this one comes with a few emotions such as neutral, excited, and friendly. So let's try changing that to friendly. I'll keep the vocal pitch default for now. If you're wondering what this is, it's just how high or how low the voice is. And lastly, the pace. So here you can change how fast your AI voiceover talks. So I'm just going to up that by a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and click on preview once again.
There is a quiet, rhythmic magic to lace up your boots and leave the concrete world behind for a winding dirt trail.
So that's how it sounds like. Still a bit fast, or a bit faster than I imagined. So I'm going to reduce the pace just a little bit. You can also add pauses to your voiceover by clicking on the add pause button that you can find here. And what this does is it will insert this sort of block, and that's how you know there's a pause in your passage or in your voiceover script. So you can click on this and adjust how long it is. You can make it longer or shorter. So let's say I want to I want to make it zero point 0.2 seconds. And so let's say I wanted to adjust it to make it zero point 0.2 seconds. I would click on this and just click on the arrows to adjust the duration. There's also a delete button here if you'd like to delete any pauses that you've added. So let's go ahead and listen to it one more time.
There is a quiet, rhythmic magic to lace up your boots and leave the concrete world behind for a winding dirt trail.
And that sounds pretty good, and I'm very satisfied with that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save, and it should be added into our timeline, as you can see. And surprisingly, it perfectly fits the video duration. So that's a nice coincidence. That's going to be it for this video, though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.